banging, I air it out. With slime and I bang it up. We banging a win up. It's red and we pour it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She waiting, she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up.
Alright, what is up guys? Still back here once again, and today we're taking a quick look at these Air Jordan 11s. These are the Midnight Navies, I believe set to release mid-October. Before I get into everything, if you guys are new to the channel, show your boy some love, drop a like, turn on notifications, subscribe, all that stuff. Follow me on Instagram at RVStuffTV. Link is in the description. DM me on there with any questions. And yeah, just a little disclosure, I don't condone buying any of the stuff you guys see in the channel. You guys do what you want with your money, like I do mine. Like I always say, I'm just showing you guys what you would get for what you pay, so on and so forth. These are UAs, they're from YesKicks. So yeah, that's pretty much it. They took about 2-3 weeks to get here, came double box, bubble wrapped, all that good stuff. And yeah, man, let's get right into it. So here is the website information. So you got the website, email, WeChat, and if you use the code RevviewStuff, save yourself $15 site-wide. So remember that, take advantage of that. One-time use per account, I believe. So keep that in mind. Shoes themselves, put them to the side. Here is the box that you would get. Nothing crazy, just a white box. You know, got the gold Jumpman on there. Women's Air Jordan 11 Retro, Midnight Navy Metallic Silver. These are 10.5 women's, I believe. So yeah. Inside the box, got the 2-3 paper, QC, sticker, check thing, whatever. And yeah, that's basically it. Ignore my nails in the video, guys. I know, kind of gross. That's just because I ate some buffalo wangs before making this video. So they'd be looking a little dyed from that. But here are the shoes themselves. I don't know if this is exclusively going to be a women's release or whatnot, but I don't really mess with 11s anyways. These are for a friend of mine. I don't know, I just never got into 11s. Don't like how the shoe looks on foot, how it looks off foot, just not for me. So yeah, so here are the shoes. I don't know what to really call this material. This is like corduroy, I guess, corduroy suede all along here, where on a typical 11 it would be patent leather. Sometimes patent leather, sometimes other things, blah blah blah, so on and so forth. But you know, overall pretty dope, giving me like Michael Jackson vibes or something like that. I don't know, like it's velvet. I think velvet's the name of the material. So got that there on the third line. This is like a nubuck suede sort of material here. Let me skip that. Quality basketball products inspired by the greatest player ever, I think is what it says. I forgot, I haven't had a pair of 11s in hand for a while. Ooh, you got the nice silver eglets in this bitch. Okay, there we go. A little bit more of a premium shoe. Typically they kind of like glam up women's GRs, honestly, but you know, it is what it is. Inside the shoe, women's size 10.5. Got the Jumpman in there. I don't know where the size information would be, to be honest. I don't know, I actually cannot feel, oh, it's like way down there. That's gonna be like impossible to film. But yeah, you got the size tag there, blah blah. I'm not gonna go over that because, you know, I don't know, I got shit to do today, boys and girls. So I'm trying to get through this video pretty quick, but overall quality is on point. You know, you got the kind of iced out bottom there, carbon fiber looking actually crispy, looks really good. So that's looking proper. Nice texture on there. No loose threads. You can see how kind of how the material is like shimmering, pretty dope. Got the 2-3 on the back. The chrome Jumpman there with the plastic still on it. And yeah, man, realistically, there's not too much else to say about these shoes. Pretty dope for what they are. Not my, you know, cup of tea, but it is what it is. There's something for everyone out there. So this is just not for me. So yeah, I mean, overall shoes look good, quality's on point as per usual from YesKicks. I don't really tend to have issues from them. Both shoes I got in this haul were upcoming releases for the month of November, so you know, we'll see. I don't really keep up with things, but obviously as people unbox and review the retail pairs, we'll see how many differences, if any, there are, and go from there, I guess. I don't know. 2, 3 on the back, blah blah blah, y'all get the point. So if you guys have questions, DM me on Instagram. You know where that's at. I review stuff TV, link is in the description. You know, if you need to ask me anything about whatever, as long as I've reviewed the product, don't be asking me shit about something I never touched in my life, because I won't be able to help you. So but yeah, if you're new to the channel and you do like what you see, fuck with me, subscribe, turn on notifications, drop a like, all that stuff. And with that being said, I'm gonna let y'all go enjoy the rest of your day. Catch y'all in the next one. Peace.